We have another problem that has polynomial division in it. We are dividing by a polynomial. This is a problem where you could use synthetic division. The reason is because the denominator is linear. The highest power in it is 1, x to the first power. So in order to use synthetic division, you need to determine what value of x would give you 0 in the denominator. In this case, it's -2. That is going to be our quote-unquote box number. We then want to line up the coefficients in descending powers of x. We have 1x to the 5th, a positive 2x to the 4th. We do not have an x cubed. We'll put a 0 in for that. We do not have an x squared term in the numerator. We'll put a 0 in for that. Then we have a -3x to the 1st and a -6 as our constant. Synthetic division is simply an algorithm that does a lot of the arithmetic for you. You just have to remember the kind of random seeming algorithm. You bring down the 1, you always bring down the first number, and then immediately multiply that by the box number. In this case, we get -2. That goes in the next open space. Add down the column and multiply by the box. Add down the column and then multiply by the box. Add down the column and multiply by the box. Add down the column and multiply by the box. Add down the column and you're done. Under the line you have the coefficients of your answer with the understanding that the first power in the answer will always be 1 less than the power that you started out with in the problem. We started out with an x to the 5th in the problem. That means this 1 represents the coefficient for x to the 4th. There won't be an x cubed, there won't be an x squared, there won't be an x to the 1st. There will be a constant called -3. And frankly, I'm not even going to write the 1 out front. I'm just going to call that x to the 4th minus 3. There is no remainder either.